guys, so today in this video I will be talking about skincare routine for absolute beginners who don't know what products come after what or are confused how to start one. To know more, please keep on watching. All must have heard influencers or bloggers talking about their skincare routine and whatnot. So let's decode what it is. So I will start with the first step, that is C for cleansing. For cleansing part, I have this face wash from Clean and Clear Foamy Face Wash. It's one of those face wash that mostly people use in their teen days. I happen to remember in my teen days I was obsessed with Clean and Clear face wash. I love some of the variants of their face wash and they're pretty good actually. So this one retails for rupees 165 for 150 ml. There are different sizes as well. It's a decent face wash for normal skin type. I have to give my personal experience with this face wash. Then as I have oily and acne prone skin, after washing with this face wash I felt that my skin got stripped of oil and I didn't like the after effect. In my current skincare routine I use this gel moussant from Bioderma, from Bioderma Sebium Ranch. It is one of the best face wash that I have come across. It does not irritate my skin and does not strip my face of any oil, and I am already on my second tube. The only con of this face wash is that it retails for rupees 300 for 100 ml, and that is a bit expensive, but it doesn't work. Like it's worth the penny. Let's move on to the second part of CTM, that is T for toning. I have seen many people skipping out on this part, but if you include it in your routine, then it makes a difference. Toners help in balancing the pH level of your skin, which makes it less prone to oiliness. Help in preparing your skin for better absorption for your next important step, that is applying a moisturizer. And guess what? Rose water is the best toner you can get if you do not want to spend extra bucks or want to spend less money on your toner. So for toning part, I use this Shri Shri Tattva Gulab Jal, which retails for rupees 65 for 100 ml. Or you can use this Dabur Gulabri Premium Rose Water, which retails for rupees 28 for 59 ml. Sure that your toner is an alcohol-free toner, otherwise it will dehydrate your skin and can even irritate your skin and make it more dry and flaky. Coming to the last part of CTM, that is M for moisturizer. Now some people think that as their face is already oily, moisturizing their face will make it more oily, but no, it is absolutely the opposite of what we think. I was even one of them few years back, and that clogged my pores more and even produced more oil, actually made my skin appear more oily. It is an important step to keep your skin's healthy cell and protect it from irritation. It helps to prevent further breakouts when your skin is dry and irritated. So for moisturizing part, I use this Nivea's Lightweight Moisturizer, which retails for rupees 90 for 50 ml, and it comes in different sizes as well. And this is the third container that I am using. I actually love this moisturizer. The texture of this moisturizer is not very light but even not very heavy. Some people may find it heavy, but it does not look greasy after you apply it. There are different moisturizer in market according to your skin type and skin concern. So coming to the end of this video, skincare is very subjective topic. Different products work for different skin types. What works for me might not work for you. Again, starting a skincare do not have to be expensive. Once you start doing your skincare, it's a process. You will eventually get to know what ingredient is a hit or miss for your skin type. From your skincare, even your lifestyle, your mental health also affects your skin. For skincare is irrespective of gender. Once started doing it, start doing it now. That's all I have for now, and I will see you next time. Bye.